Hello friends, welcome back to another Math. In today's video, we're going to be solving this problem you are seeing right here without the use of calculator. So I'm going to show you the trick for you to actually be able to evaluate this. But just before we proceed, if you're new to our channel, do want to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and of course turn on the notification icon so that whenever we release new content, you will actually get to know about it. Okay, so having said that, we're going to proceed right into this video. Okay, so let me just write this. What we are solving is square root of 4 into 4 places and then 9 into 1 place. What I'm going to do is actually to go ahead and then write this stuff right here, and then I can actually write all of this as 4, okay, 4, and then in place of these remaining 5 digits, I'm going to write 0, okay, and that is of course 5 places plus, and then for 8 into 4 places, and then in place of this 9, I'll write 0, okay, and then plus 9. So if you sum this stuff right here, it is actually going to give you this one. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is now to write this in standard form. Okay, so it is still going to be 4, okay, times 10 raised to power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then plus, I say do same here, 8 times 10 raised to power 1. Okay, and then plus 9. Yeah, this is cool. So the next thing I want to do is now to go ahead and then write this stuff you are seeing right here. I can actually write this 4 here as 4 into 1. Okay, 1 into 5 places, so that when I use this 4 to multiply this stuff right here, I'm actually gonna be having the same stuff, the same 4 that I have here. Okay, multiply by 10 power 5 plus, and then I'll still do same here, so I can write this one as 8 multiplied by 1 into 4 places, and then multiply by 10 power 1 plus 9. Okay, so at this point we still proceed, and of course you know I can actually write this 1. Let me just put it right here, 1. I can actually write this as 9 into 5 places and then divided by 9. This is just basically the same, because when you use 9 to divide the numerator there, it's actually going to be giving you what we have right there. So that is what I'm going to replace this digit here with. So that if I do that, my question now changes to root 4 into 9, and then 9 divided by 9. Okay, and don't forget, still multiply by 10 raised to power 5 plus, I will also do same here, so 8 into 9 divided by 9. Okay, multiply by 10 power 1, and of course 10 power 1 is still same as 10. Okay, plus 9. That is cool. And then the next thing we want to do at this point is just to go ahead and then write this 9 now we are having over here, and of course this 9 into 5 places, we can actually write it as 10 raised to power 5 minus 1. Okay, so you can clearly see that. And then if it is 9 into 4 places, we can also write it as 10 raised to power 4, okay, minus 1. So instead of this 9 into 5 places and then this one into 4 places, I'm going to replace it with the equivalent which I've shown you right there, so that this question now changes to 4 into, so in place of this I'll write 10 raised to the power 5 minus 1 divided by 9, okay, multiplied by 10 power 5, and then plus 8 Okay, 8 into 10 raised to the power 4 minus 1 divided by 9. Okay, multiply by 10 right here, then plus 9. That is fine. And then the next thing I want to do is to sum all of these items right here. And of course, if I do that, what I'm going to be having is root, and then I'll put the denominator right here. The denominator here is 9. Okay, so if I factorize 9 out here, I'm going to be having 4 into 10 raised to the power 5, okay, minus 1, and of course multiplied by 10 raised to the power 5. That's cool. And then on this side, I'm going to be having 8 into 10 raised to the power 4 minus 1, and then of course multiply by 10, plus on this side 9 times 9 is actually going to give us 81. So that's what we're going to be having. And then moving on, the next thing I want to do is actually to use this 10 right here to multiply the brackets, and then I will have 4 into 10 10 power 5 multiplied by 10 power 5 will give us 10 power 25, okay, minus 10 power 5 multiplied by negative 1 will give us negative 10 power 5, okay, plus this is 8 into 10 multiplied by 10 power 4 will give us 10 power 5 minus 10 right here, okay, plus 81 divided by 9. So the next thing I want to do is actually to use this stuff outside the brackets to multiply it through, and I'm going to be having that this is 4 multiplied by 10 power 25 minus 4 multiplied by 10 power 5, okay, plus 8 multiplied by 10 power 5, and then minus 8 multiplied by 10, and that's 80, and then plus 81, all divided by 9. So the next thing I want to do is to evaluate, and if I do that, this is 10. I can actually write this 4 here as 2 power 2 multiplied by, I'm going to write this 10 power 25 here as 10 power, okay, 5, and then the 5 will also be power 2, okay, because of course 5 power 2 is equal to 25. Okay, on this side you can see that I have 10 power 5 and then 10 power 5 here, so I'm going to do 8 minus 4 here, and that'll give me 4 multiplied by 10 power 5. 81 minus 80 is just 1. It's all divided by 9. And I hope you guys are getting it. Okay, so I'm just going to proceed at this point with the evaluation. On this side, you can see that this is 2 power 2, and then this is 10 power 5 power 2. So I can actually write them as 2 multiplied by 10 power 5, and I'll give all of them power 2. Okay, plus on this side, 4, you can actually write it as 2 multiplied by 2, okay, and then multiply by 10 power 5, and then of course plus 1, all divided by 9. And then when you look at this stuff I have right here, it is actually looking like a particular pattern. We know, if you look at this very well, it is looking as a squared plus 2ab, and then of course plus b squared, where in this case our a is actually 2 multiplied by 10 power 5. Okay, you can see the square right there, and then plus this 2 is this one, and then this, and of course this is the a again coming up, 2.2 multiplied by 10 power 5. Okay, and our b is actually going to be equal to 1. Of course, if I do multiply by 1 here, it's still the same, and then 1 squared is still the same as 1, so that I can actually write this stuff I have right here as square root of 2 multiplied by 10 power 5, okay, plus 1, all raised to power 2, then of course divided by 9. Okay, divided by 9 right here. Okay, so continuing from here, what I'm going to be having is square root of 2 multiplied by 10 power 5, okay, plus 1 all raised to power 2, and then of course I can write this 9 here as 3 power 2. Okay, and don't forget this square root is for all of them. Okay, so I'm going to be having 2 multiplied by 10 power 5 plus 1 divided by 3, and of course 2 of them is going to be having the same power. Okay, now at this point these 2 can actually cancel these 2, and what I have is now 2 multiplied by 10 power 5 plus 1 divided by 3. Okay, and these I can write as 2 multiplied by 10 raised to power 5 is same as 100,000. Okay, so I'll write it this way, and then of course plus 1 divided by 3. So I can use this to multiply the 100,000, then I'll have 200,000. Okay, plus 1 divided by 3. And of course when you add this, you're going to be having 200,001, okay, divided by 3. Okay, and then of course when you compute this, your answer is actually going to be 6667, and this is actually going to be the value of this square root right here. And I hope you've understood all the steps we've applied to solve this problem. Of course, if you've got any value in the video, do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more updates, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video.